Welcome to Machine Nature. Today, we bring you the fourth video in our series exploring the dangers of logging. If you haven't seen the first 3 episodes, make sure to check them out on our channel. Logging accidents happen in the blink of an eye, often leaving behind unforgettable lessons. In this episode, we'll dive into more stories that highlight the importance of skill, safety, and awareness. Let's continue to explore the power of nature and the critical lessons it teaches us. This man got frustrated with the falling branches of the tree and decided to get rid of it, but something unexpected happens. The Cat 297C is an incredibly efficient machine for gardening tasks. With its compact track design, it offers excellent maneuverability even in tight spaces. It excels in tasks such as soil grading, laying sod, planting trees, and even light demolition work. Equipped with various attachments, it becomes a versatile tool for a wide range of applications. This machine is an ideal choice for both professional landscapers and individuals with large gardens. Its efficiency and durability make it perfect for completing gardening tasks quickly and easily. These machines used in forestry are amazing. It's really enjoyable to watch them in action. A video that perfectly shows how dangerous tree cutting can be. I don't know how many times a mistake can be made, but these guys dropped the tree on the house for the second time. I guess they don't like their house.
Here goes.
In an incident near Forbes River, a log truck became bogged down in the mud and almost rolled over. The truck, likely carrying a heavy load of logs, got stuck due to the soft, uneven terrain, which caused it to lose traction. The situation became even more dangerous as the truck was on the verge of tipping over. Fortunately, a bulldozer was called in to assist. The bulldozer used its power to pull the log truck out of the mud, preventing a potential rollover. Watching the fall of this giant tree is amazing. The Bandit 21 XP is a powerful wood chipper widely used in forestry and land clearing operations. It is equipped with a robust engine and cutting mechanisms, capable of handling large volumes of branches and trees efficiently. The Northern Rockies tree refers to the type of tree or logging operation in the mountainous region, where trees are often larger and harder to process. Combining the Bandit 21 XP with the Northern Rockies tree means that the machine is being used in challenging, rugged terrain, processing tough, thick trees in a demanding environment. This combination highlights the versatility and power of the Bandit 21 XP, as it can tackle even the most challenging tree removal tasks in remote areas. Land clearing equipment, specifically forestry mulchers for excavators, is designed to tackle intensive vegetation control and land clearing tasks in various environments. These excavator-mounted mulchers are highly effective for clearing dense vegetation, such as trees, shrubs, and brush, making them ideal for projects like roadside maintenance, transmission line and pipeline clearance, and forest fire prevention. By attaching the mulcher to an excavator, operators can efficiently shred and mulch vegetation, turning it into small pieces that can be left on site or removed. This equipment is especially useful in hard-to-reach areas where traditional land clearing methods might be difficult. These mulchers are also crucial for preventing wildfires by reducing the amount of dry vegetation and debris that could fuel a fire, ensuring safer, more sustainable land management. The logging truck clearly can't make it up the hill, so it's trying to be pulled by the excavator. Heli logging with the Llama SA315 is a specialized technique used in logging operations, particularly in difficult-to-reach areas like the Valpascaiavo Valley. The Llama SA315, a lightweight helicopter, is often used to transport logs from remote forest locations where ground-based machinery can't access. In this operation, the helicopter lifts and transports large logs, helping to clear timber from steep or rugged terrain where traditional logging methods might be too challenging or time-consuming. A dead pine tree is cut down, and when it hits the ground, it explodes like a bomb. Wood and debris fly everywhere due to the tree's dryness and internal pressure, creating a dangerous scene. In this situation, a bulldozer is used to pull a timber truck that is stuck or unable to move on its own. The bulldozer, with its powerful engine and large blade, provides the necessary force to drag the timber truck out of a tough spot, such as mud, steep terrain, or other challenging conditions. This method is commonly used in logging and construction sites, where heavy machinery is required to move equipment or vehicles that are bogged down or unable to operate due to their load or environment. Let's watch a short tree felling video series together. The Bandit 3500 stump grinder is a powerful machine designed to grind tree stumps into small wood chips after a tree has been felled. Equipped with a large, heavy-duty cutter wheel, it efficiently removes stumps by grinding them down below ground level, making the area clear for landscaping or construction. This grinder is commonly used in forestry, landscaping, and property maintenance, offering great maneuverability and power for stump removal. The Bandit 3500 is especially effective for large or stubborn stumps, helping to speed up the cleanup process while minimizing the impact on the surrounding environment. The Morbark 4036 microchipper is a high-performance wood chipper designed for efficient wood processing. Equipped with a 16-knife Advantage 3 drum, this machine can produce high-quality wood chips with a precise 3/8 size. Powered by a C27 800 horsepower's Cat engine, it has the strength to handle large volumes of wood with ease. This chipper is ideal for processing smaller logs, branches, and other wood debris into consistent, uniform chips, which can be used for landscaping, biomass fuel, or other industrial purposes. Its powerful engine and advanced drum system make it highly efficient for large-scale chipping operations in forestry, land clearing, and wood processing industries. Saw-grip excavator log saws are highly valuable tools for timber processing, especially for firewood contractors, sawmills, and agricultural contractors. These saws are mounted on excavators, allowing operators to process logs directly from the comfort and safety of the excavator's cab. This design eliminates the need for manual labor or working in hazardous environments, significantly improving both efficiency and safety. The saws are capable of cutting large logs into manageable sections, making them ideal for producing firewood, lumber, or clearing timber from agricultural lands. With their ability to handle various timber sizes and their powerful cutting capabilities, saw-grip saws make timber processing faster, safer, and more cost-effective. The Rayco G80 stump grinder is a powerful machine designed for efficiently removing large tree stumps, and in this case, It quickly destroys a 36-inch oak stump in just 10 minutes. Equipped with a high-powered engine and a large cutting wheel, the RG80 uses its sharp teeth to grind through the stump, breaking it down into small wood chips. This stump grinder is known for its impressive speed and power, making it ideal for removing large and stubborn stumps that would otherwise be difficult to handle. In this demonstration, the RG80 showcases its ability to clear a massive oak stump in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional methods, making it a valuable tool for land clearing and forestry operations.